Okay, question 5 is to draw another box and whisker plot, and it wants you to show the following data. Now this one is trick. You can't show the average on a box and whisker plot, so that's not going to be on there. But the rest of it we can show. So the first thing we need is a good scale. Okay, so we need a scale that's actually going to fit, so we're probably going to have to go up in 2s here. So that it all fits. Okay, I like to start with minimum and maximum so I can get my whiskers in. Okay, so I've got my minimum at 6 and I've got my maximum at 29, and now I'll do my lower quartile, which is at 12, and I'll do my upper quartile, which is at 25. And I can draw the box in now.
Dad, do you have a nail?
Yes, mate. Draw my whiskers in. And then I can show my median of 19 and mark it in right here.
Dad, you have a nail.
And obviously you can't show the mode on this either. Okay, so I'll just number them up so that it's really obvious which one's which. That's completed, so don't do this, but let's just call this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, just so that we can name them up for you. So this is the minimum, this is the maximum, this is the upper quartile, this is the lower quartile, and this one is the median. You don't need to put these numbers in, this is just for me to help you explain.